kajika di komputer bat di laptop kabahajan jongpi. Hapaham sim nongpo Riboy District marpersya bat ke school Alpha Higher Secondary School. Wantit nangi ngin airu ka warranty. Hendriu banaya ki laptop bat khatar banaya ki desktop. Kini ki digimar refurbish lane ki all stock. Banang pensuk susu yeki pajba aban yothit yeki kali remdor hatam Riboy District. Mentagasngi daga jingi trelang jong giriu rangba ki bakentup yau Jof pi marbanyang bat Nikolai Singh. Lawan ra yaka jaka di yaki kali remdor ki baga jingsdang jong gador jong kinegi kali ki dei nadu khandailak ter sejrong. Kinegi kali ki kentup yaki kali Mercedes, BMW bat Audi ki ban sasdang no bandi nadu mentagasngi. Kini ki kali watla ki dei ki kali ki beladap penonkan lane ki use imported car. Henry ki dei ki badang bidang biang bat ki badang biang lut nadong syadong. Kini ki jika di kali kadon hak senong lum nong rim habar nihat Riboy District bat office jong kapat kadon hak first floor jong ke exotic taste daba and restaurant. Ya ka jingpli yakni ki jika di kali lapli do ba sostana sotun ubdeu MLA ke jirang constituency ubadeiru chief whip jong ke sarkar jela ha ka jingi don lang utumen basan MSIM nang tau fodar kemen lang nongrum kabalong kum shibenta kum gijing ai mensim yaki bat ka kerku kerdo bagane kam kaniat bet chakmat seprang dag jing kerku jong ublai laidon lang ru orang ba senong lum nongrim uba jomios im ki bahi ngasem ki parlok parajor ki blai syakhot sungubha lembat kiwe
live family kinaship agar joint venture kejuki na gabenta umroba in Bushakwa bantuan ba yaki imported used cars kum ka outlet agane kerjaka agaba ki hidup ki badan yang intensif ki badan yang jingla bagi luan ban kir yang kali hadirin ban ka NEG kila dapat penbiang. I was asking Bojo what is NEG and he was telling me that it may be Northeast government. Jokingly, maybe Northeast government. That is jokingly. And then thank you so much Mr. Nikolai Singh. You have briefed me about this. L means what, E means what, and then G means what. Nikolai, Edward, and Job Marvanya. These are the three families jointly, and I'm very happy to get a chance with Nikolai from Job. We got in contact and we have sat together to discuss about your aim and ambitions here in Boniat area in our constituency, and I hope that your mission and ambition of flying Boniat will be a successful one, because you have the new venture in that kajing krang, kajing kuat, kajungki, kadang kawai kebencang, kashwa, kashwa ilayo yang kapan mission kumnoba in warna yang ka di what they call this paramotoring gimana yang ka paramotoring kebut ka kapan giban hair giban pria giban spring yang ginon one joy I today in Taurus. I hope with your new ambitions that it will attract more tourists here in the place. They meet up the Kajinkermen, nas nyang kunomi kumat, nasupen, habu yosko, yang kata kajing krang ni, kajing kwa, kajong i Pembujo, Pak Nikolai Singh, Pak Edward, kita bagi kita kata kajing krang kuno ban kentiu. ya kini ke dong the time ke jui agni ke constancy ke jui we can men scam but ibu agajin pai ya ke ke kumur ke ba mapi bilan ba oleh unan ke kumiti ba ikam baro inya syapan syekma ai ba kini ke jumple ke mengkutasi yang le kini important use cars ai ba ke long ke thong ba ke jumpu ke bejok akaba mapi penangla ban teng ya ka business line majority kabama om tang na om tang ko business na kinanga man teng susu habu we kikam akaba kanong ka jimentoy na tadi
salah sejrong dan kurang mungkin use ka dan kurang mungkin kali dan doa luxury kali car pada penerkam aku andi kide arusan na gula revenue yang berdihat kita bok untuk kata harga jing staff jong i partners juga utilizing bagikan ia mungkin kali in like nadu khat hadu khat sanla ki bodol ki bobe in like pala kata tak khat hadu khat sanla kan finance bagikan ke first product jongi in like ngol kendai bo baja sana don kilo ki perlap ba buah macam isimno dirano egani kendai point kendai la in like bo egani kali kata kali komitmen na kalian dijungi na kalian office dijungi begin ai ya kali kemudian mimpi atau kata kali mundu dijumpa jadi terang dijungi nak kita bahkan kan roy kan di kai ke tahun dijungi berkoi kamtam na kata kali konsulsi dijungi.
A very good evening to everyone. I'm Nikolai Singh. I have been here in Meghalaya for 21 years and I'm married to the Nongrums and I'm very happy to be here. But unfortunately, we had to always go out of the state to earn our livelihoods. Everything is so expensive for a common man that every time we have to go to a big city to work and do anything to do with work related, we every time had to go out and all. But thanks to the government of India, when they introduced some new laws in the metro cities, these cars have become very affordable, and it's my dream now for all the common men, whoever has a dream to own a luxury car can approach us. You don't even have to give full payment. You can also take EMI. We are here for you. If you think that the showroom is too expensive for servicing and all, we will do the servicing for you. Any parts you need, we will arrange the parts for you. We will not only sell the car to you, but after service is also there, which we will provide.
Kejing kemen nak kementar jongi ka energy imported used car hani po bernihat kham tame nak kementar ki parathain ki personong ki jongi nak kementar ka state ke jela jongi berakoi bat nak kementar ka thai not is balengong nak kementar ka yu kejing kemen nak kementar ka jongi namarwa hakani ka sni nirala ban play ya koi ka ba nitip kum ka energy used imported car kani ga you kani ka office ni wanra khnang na kementar jungi ki middle class ki breu ki ba dangduna ka yo kot hangni po bernihat ni wanra ya ka kini ki use imported car ka ba manga mapi ngila ban thit ngila ban afford na kementar kani bar ka jitmu ba konsan ka jungi ka ba kalong ba ni wanra ai kini ki kali ki luxury car nashabar bat ngindi ngani po bernihat ki jongi bar kani ke jaka ke po lum no rem mar ke jing bernihat Porvo village Guwahati John Boy ke jing bernihat Masan Cross ka outpost bernihat pin kandon ka wei ka dhaba wei kot ka exotic dhaba hangtu ngidollang ya ka outlet ke jongi ru nang mata bangin deal ya kini ki kali bat kini ki kali larangi ong ba Boros kantung yo ini tip bakini ki kali remdor ki luxury car kum ki Audi ki Mercedes ki BMW ki poi da ki ulak lani sikror tam ki kali ndrai menta nak menta jongi iwei piwei bat ki pai kinong sonong jong ka thain bernihat jong ka state ki jongi jong Meghalaya kumju nam ta ka north east bro ko wei ni wanra ai kani ki kali hakador ka batat na pedeng ki batat tam bat katahi ka dor ka long nadu khat ar hadu khat bangin pelai ki kini kali katum ki model ki ba here kawai nak kawai pak katum gajinya support katum gaji kuat jom customer. Tapi kata kata gaji itu keputusan gaji ni nak bentar bagi wandra nang ya kani ka MSNEG use imported dealership gaji ni ang ni berniat privilege.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jompi phone singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru yue ar nyau lai